Okay, we'll get started then, right? We have decided that we'll go first with the Sonarcloud, right? The pending one. In the Sonarcloud, we say that we'll not be able to show you that we are going inside because since we need the public account for that. Account that to no permission. They'll not get a permission. Okay, so that we have to do. Anyway, let me reach till that point where you are clicking that analyze project. Okay, after that, I'll go with the Google image. From there, you can get it how it will look like. Okay, so that in case if you're going to work with the real time, till there you just click on the analyze and get the report. Okay, that will use it. So let me go back to here steps actually. We know the steps. I mean, like we know what is a Sonarcloud and all. We discussed that, right? Practical, theoretically, we discussed no what is vulnerability, what is code fixes, what is code review, what is hotspot review. Okay, these all things we have seen that. Only practically we left it. Okay, so let's try to do that first. Okay, then I'll go and start today Kubernetes. Okay, so let's start it out first. Okay, and before that, one more thing. Okay, where is Lokesh? He has not come yet. Okay, for him about that custom condition, right? We didn't do that, no. We need to do that also. Hmm? Practical. No, tell me one more time. In the custom services, custom condition. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Remaining, you can just take it out, no? All it's not will not able to show you. At least 4 I'll show you 2. Let me make it 1 or 2. You just give a try. Did you try with the custom condition? 1 minute. That's why I'm saying that you have to try from your side. You need to give a try. You're stucking out, we can help out. Right? So what yesterday I told you, right? Custom condition I told. Apart from that condition, if it is getting failed previous, I told no. Okay, I'll show you that also. No problem. Okay, it's not a problem with me. I'll tell you. But I'll show you out of 4 plus 1 custom condition. 5 is there. Out of 5, 1 we did. Custom condition we did. Custom condition we did will change other also. I mean, like one custom condition I show you. No, we have multiple. I'll show one more to you. And apart from that, remaining 2, 3s are there, right? That also out of 3, 4, I'll show you 2. The remaining 2, you do it out. That you can do it, no? Okay, we'll do it. That's why I'm waiting for this Lokesh actually. He's for the issue with custom condition, right? Fine. So shall I go with the custom condition now directly or shall I start with the Sonarcloud? Custom condition I want? Fine. Let me, guys, we'll first complete the custom condition. Okay, because we have multiple. 3, how many are there? 3, 1, 4. 4 plus 1 custom, 5. Okay, so we'll do at least 3. Okay, remaining 2 you guys can do it. Right. So let me first come to custom condition first. Okay. So which where is this condition in pipeline only, right? So let's come to the pipeline. Let's come to the pipeline. Here is my pipeline, right? I'll go to my team, right? I'll come to our batch. Okay, we'll go to our pipeline, right? And then after that, we'll go here and we'll try to make it edit right here. Okay, no? Right here. Especially for you. Your name? Naveen. Your name also Naveen. Good. Okay, so have a look, Naveen, then. See, condition I'll go. Okay. So I'll go with the first custom condition. What Lokesh is having doubt, you help him out. Okay. Nothing is there in that. Yesterday it was getting failed. So we got the reasons for that, right? What was the reason? Because my ACR was not there in that. That is the reason, no? Very good. What is the next? Next is, you got the reason. What is the next course of action you have? What you will do first? Create ACR. Very good. So you'll create ACR. What will happen? You'll get the build image and push the image, right? After that, what you'll do? App services, buddy. App services for this one. We have a two, right? We have to get one for the dev one and another one for stage one. Okay, let's make it as a dev one. This I'll make it as a dev one. Okay, dear. And this is stage one. So both are there. Dev is there, stage is there. My file is ready with me. So first I'll go to the custom condition here. One custom condition, I'll make it here as a, right? One custom condition. I'll first go with the one custom condition. Naveen, have a look, please. First, I'll go with the custom condition. Then I'll go with the your choice, right? Another I'll go. Okay. So this is already we have discussed. So no need to repeat many. Don't have to give more time. It's clear, no? Everyone is clear, right? No need to repeat again. Good. Let me go to the another custom condition. Okay, that we discussed yesterday. Guys, trial account, function app, don't say it now itself. Okay, we are running with the Sonarcloud and what is that? Docker Kubernetes. So let's talk on that. Okay, because of free trial, I cannot create it. You just try it. We'll discuss that at the end. Okay, now we'll go to the staging. Have a look, please, staging. Let's see the staging. Okay, if we come to the staging, we have changed the custom condition yesterday. What is the custom condition? We have changed it. Come here. What is the condition we made it yesterday? We did the same thing, no? What was that? System debug false. Means what, dear? Debug means error. If in case we are getting, I'll just show you one thing. You just try with others also. Okay. If there is any system error in that previous steps, automatically, if it is there, don't run it out. If it is a false, that is not there. False means negative. It is not there. False means negative. That case it is pass. So right now, if my first condition will pass, second will also pass. Right or not? No. First condition will pass, then second will pass. Or if it is fail, skipping will not a problem. Skip means it is not matching the condition, that's why it is skipping it. Okay. Failure case, this will not run it out. Okay. So let's see that. Can I run it out? Okay. Shall I run? Let me run it out. So I'll just make it as a save and queue. So what branch should I use? You want to make a stage? Let's make it to a stage branch. Okay. I'll run it out. So what will happen? Observe that steps there. Okay. Tell me, bro. So if we're going to take the master branch will have multiple branches. If you wanted to take it, or master branch will have one code. It'll work both. Because master branch will pick up both the value. It not, but condition will be different, Naveen, right? Condition will not pass, no? Okay, let it complete. I'll show you that master branch one. So see, what is happening in the master branch? You are giving the condition equivalent source name stage branch. If the condition will match, run it out. If not match, skip it. According to you, you are saying that use master branch at the time of running. So the master branch is different and dev branch is different. Yes or no? So what will happen in that case? It will skip. No one will pass. Not this. Yeah, both will skip because branch is not matching, no, brother. Right, the point. Branch is not matching, no, that case. Understand the condition. Condition is used for, if I'm writing any condition is here, condition here. If I'm writing any custom condition here, understand please. I'm writing condition called, what is the condition? Build dot. What I wrote the condition here, build dot source name, right? And we are writing the equivalent to, according to you, master. So what you are choosing it, have a look, no, you forget it. You have here a stage branch, right? Please have stage branch. This is stage and this is master, will match. So it will skip, not pass, skip it. Second stage it will go. Second stage it will not validate the branch because I give the condition. No, debug. If it is fail, a debug will be there, then it will run it out. Got the point? This is different master. Condition is different here. So let's see whether it is doing or not. Can you see? I gave the master that is getting pass. Okay. But second one is what? If there is error, it will fail or it will get pass. Okay. See. So what happened? It restarted. That means what here? It is restarted. Restarted meaning is it has running it. It is not skipping it. Okay. It ran, right? It ran, no? Now I'll go back. Okay, I'll change the condition team. Let's see. I'll go and edit it. I'll go with the edit pipeline. Okay. I'll go with the edit pipeline as a custom condition. I'll make it as a, no, I'll custom condition same. I'll choose only dev. Okay. So what will happen now? Tell me. Choose dev. First one is skip. Second one, go and search it. Matching or not. Is there a defect? No defect, pass. And let me complete that, and I'll your question like another 4, right? We'll discuss at least 2. Other 2 you can practice. Let me click it here so you're aware of it. So what is happening? Building image is pushing the image. It'll go and verify this. It is still pushing it. Okay. Pushed. Now it will go to your this job. First condition job. Okay. But you see that sometime back it came as a false. The condition is not matching. Second, so it's skipping, and this is what the custom condition we have given is false. Okay, that you got it. Now what is your duty? You got the custom condition thing. What is your assignment? When you are practicing it, make it as a true. Got the meaning? No? Trying to understand, it will come. If you understand, it will come, bro. Okay, understand. See. What is the condition? First condition. You are getting confused. That is not a big deal in the condition here. First condition, we are matching the branch. Based on branch, it is running or skipping. That is the 2 thing. No, it's clear. That is clear. Okay. What is the second condition I gave it? Debug. Debug means what? Error. Error equal to false means there is no error. Is there any error in the previous stage? Then this will run or not? It will run, no? It ran. Now what you have to do? I think you have. I thought you guys have already done it. Yesterday, didn't you try it? Tried? Okay, tried. Okay, it working? Okay, fine, good. So now it's your time. You can go and make something different. You try it out. Make it true. See? Okay, that way you learn it, no? Same thing what I am doing it. You also do the same thing. What is the use? You have to do something extra. And you are getting the error, then it has to be resolved. Right? This 2 is clear. Now Naveen has a doubt that he wanted to do the other condition also. Okay. So let's do that. Okay. So other condition, I'll go back. And what is the condition here? Shall I edit it? Edit pipeline. Okay. I'll go to edit pipeline. Come here. And what, buddy? Image name every time. Image, one time you write the same image name. Okay, understand. Image, what you are giving with the help of your container registry name. Every time you are running it, know that what is that? Tags will change automatically with the build ID. We have given the tag name, no? What is that? Repository, then source branch name. Then after that, what we gave? We gave something, no? What is that? Build ID. So every time you are running it, no, the build is changing. So automatically the complete image name is changing, every time. App container name. Okay. So if you give the app container name prefix it will run. But build ID need to be changed every time. You have to give the build ID also. You are giving that build ID also. Name, which name? Image name. You tell me that here. Okay, 1 minute. Let's come here. This project name. Okay, 1 minute. This project name, that means inside that all whatever it will come. See, you are saying that instead of, can you show me? Okay, one more question. Okay, have a look, please. There's a question that can we set the latest tag? Yes, we can set the latest tag also. Okay. So only thing is whatever the latest tag is coming up, it will pick that. Okay. Locase, you are giving, this is for app name. Okay, this is your project name. And what are the ACR name? Okay, good. Got it. So you have to tell me one thing then, guys. Okay. Whatever you are using that image name here, this one, this name, understand here, this name, this is always keep on changing it out based on your requirement. This image value is nothing. Can you see this is not the important at all? You delete it also. This is just for your reference. Red mark is not there. No, this is just for your reference. You write, change the project name, write my name and try out today. Okay, it will work. But if you go to this image name, this you cannot do anything alteration. This image name, where is it? This you cannot do the alteration. It should be the eject one, right? Because that is just for your reference here. And that too, if you're giving the reference, why not can we give the proper format reference? Okay. If you give the proper format reference, it's good to go. Or if you blank, delete it also, no? No big, it's not urgent. I'm like, it's not a mandatory field, right? Mandatory field, you have to write it out. Okay. Custom condition, according to you, we worked it. But we have Naveen, he's saying that, he's telling that other condition also we have to work, sir. Okay. So at least 3, 4 is there. Let's do at least 1 or 2. Other he will practice. Okay. So what is that track condition here? Come back here, dear. We'll go one by one. Okay. We have a control option, right? We have a control option there here. Okay. Here, this is the part. Understand? Only when all the, what is that? I'll make this condition all. So what will happen? We are not matching the staging. We are not matching anything. We are just running it. All condition is getting passed. Run it, not stop it. So let me run with this. It should get passed or not? Why? Because the previous is getting passed, then it should get also passed. Which one? No, we didn't get the custom condition. Fourth one will check it the same. Fourth one will make that statement. Previous getting passed, then pass. Okay. If you're giving the third one, no, understand. Let it run it. Okay. We have build image, push image, condition 1, condition 2. That is condition of task. Task 1, task 2, task 3. This task, right? Right? 3 tasks are there, no? So understand. This 2 is for sure. First 2 is for sure it will run. No doubt. Build and push. All the related job will run. Third, it will check the condition. If you are writing the condition, then it will check the condition. Like for my case, what I gave the condition as a all previous pass, then run it. So what it will do, it will run this 2. Passing condition is there, check it. If this condition true, run it, or else don't run it. Right? Condition 2, run it out, or else don't run it out. 1 minute, guys. We'll see for online guys also. 1 minute. Let's see what is the question is. I'm getting back to previous question. I have a doubt if we are able to set the latest, then think need to update the image ID. Guys, who is this? Savanth, right? Savanth, image ID, we have to change it out, buddy. That's not a problem. What we were discussing the image, that is for the condition image. That is optional. It's not mandatory to update it. Okay. Now see, condition. If the condition getting passed, it will run it. Okay. What is the condition? 2 condition we have here. First is custom condition. Custom condition, you are setting your rule. Okay. Second is first condition, all is getting passed. All means what? Above 1. Means that build 1, push 1. It will pass, otherwise it will not pass. Okay. I'll do something changes in the push image. I'll make some delete something. We'll see. It will fail. That should not run. Right? No? That will make it out. Okay. That is the first condition. So anyway, it got passed. Let me go back, edit it once again. Go back, edit the pipeline once again. Right. Come here. I'll use the another condition this time. Control option. Okay. What is this? What is this job is? Even if a previous has failed, but I'm not canceling the condition. For that, what we have to do? Okay, let's see that. I'm running this condition same. Save and queue. Will it run or not? Think it. Will it run it or not? It will not run? Then you are not clear with the condition also, dear. Okay, okay, madam. The guys who is telling that it will not run, online, offline, both. Who is telling not run, please raise your hand. Not run, please raise your hand. Raim, you are telling, right? Naveen, run or not? It will not run according to you. Okay. Lokesh? Run. Raim? Not run. Nothing bad, okay? Understanding is important, yeah. Understand. See the condition. See the condition. Even if a previous task has failed, first stop that, break there. Is saying that if even means what? Even it is failing also, let's run this. It's a plain English, right? Even it is getting fail also, run it. Pass also run, fail also run. I don't bother. Got the point? So don't think that meaning of the fail, you are saying that no, it will not run. Okay. It's saying that, huh? Sorry. We will come to first half. I'll cover it. No, let me come to the second point also. 2 scenario we are there, right? Even the first will fail also. Run. You run it, no problem. And there is saying that unless the build was, please close. Unless the build was cancelled. If I cancel the build after getting fail itself, let's see it is running and fail, I cancel, then it will not run. The meaning is that. So let's do the practical, okay? Understand. So what I'll do, I'll make this condition as a fail. How to make the failure? Yes, very good. We'll make something here. Okay. Something different I gave it. Okay. Now what is the condition here? See. Let me run it out. Online guys also writing it something. It will run. It will run. Yes, you are right, Manoj and everyone. It is run. Let's see the condition. Save and run it out. Let's see. So according to, tell me. Push will fail. No. Build, push. Build will pass. Push will fail. Third also should run. It will not pass. Why? Because no, it is a dependency. No. Image we have a dependency. It will fail, not skip. If the condition is false, okay, then I think you guys are coming on the point now. Okay. See, condition is 2 things. Either it will be true, false, right? If the condition is true, run and pass is not my problem. Run, pass and fail is not my problem here. Pass and fail is depend on that condition. What is the application? It will run. That is the main thing. Don't say pass fail. Okay. False means skip. Understand? No. Passing and failing depend on the condition. What is the application I'm making it, right? Got it? Right. We'll see here. So what happened? We are getting fail, right? Push an image is fail. It's fail. But see, even it is failing, it's running it out. It's not stopping. Fail is a different problem. Fail is a problem. Why it is fail? Because image itself is not there, then it will not come. That's not a problem. That's a different story. Okay. But it is running, no. So condition is matching or not, Naveen? Right? So can you try now the other two scenarios? Just give a try. Same thing. Just make it try another two scenario. You'll come to know that. Okay. Tell me. We'll say that. We'll come to that. Why it is getting success? That also is a good thing, right? Tell me. Why? Because what is happening? That what is the job name here? What is the job name here? It's a dev environment. It is a dev environment job, and that too it is using the previous tag. Tag, we have a different tags, right? Multiple tags are there. No, it is picking that they are getting the tag from them. Then is getting passed. This condition, where is that? Let me come to that. Edit it first. Okay. See the job, why this is getting passed. This you have to tell me. Okay. This is getting passed. Okay. See what is the job is. I am trying to deploy my application dev app. Okay. And what is the condition I'm writing it as? What is the condition I'm writing it as a condition? Even if it is fail, you run it out. No one is stopping it. Very good. But what is here? It is a deployment, right? What you are deploying it? Dev app. So deployment need only image name. It's not the latest image name, old name, page name, anything. If image is coming, go ahead with that. Okay. So go to your ACR now. Check it out, ACR. Okay. So I'll go to the ACR here. Let me go to, if there is any image is there, it'll pick it out. Okay, it'll pick it out. Image is there. Latest tag will not be there, but image is there. No. All deleted you do first time. That is also you can do the assignment. What you can do it? Create a fresh ACR. Everything fresh. Now give the condition and see. It will not have image. It will not run it. Okay, fresh everything come. You just try it. So two things you have to try it today here. Okay. All condition you try, please. All condition build one. All 3, 4, 5 are there. That you try it. And just try one or two scenario. Any scenario. Fail it, pass it, fail it, pass it, something you try it. This two you try it. That is more than sufficient to understand this. Okay. Naveen, it's clear now. Condition you can try 2 and then 3 you seen. Another 2 you try it. Okay. Now, can I go to the Sonarcloud pending topic? Okay. Right. So I have one question in mind. One more question you are missing. Still you are missing it. I'll not tell now. I want to see whether you are practicing or not. Javi, right? Two guys are there. Still one issue is there in this talk. You have to find out. I'll tell you after 5 days of time. That will come to know that whether you are practicing really or simply you are doing just. Okay, it's a challenge for every one of you. Next Friday we'll see. We'll ask the same question to you. I'll tell you whether you are really practicing or not. I'll come to know that. Fine. Tell you, madam, what is the issue? Okay, fine. Let's come to the Sonarcloud. Understand the Sonarcloud. Sonarcloud is for what purpose? For what is the purpose of Sonarcloud? Testing? Okay. To check whether there is a issue. Since we are non-IT background, we are from IT background, not non-IT background in the real time. We are IT background. We are not from the coding background. Right? No, we are not on. Shall I on? Okay. So we are not from the coding background. And developer, how it is happening? No, in the real time, SDLC phases is there, right? In SDLC, first of all, we get a requirement from the customer. Tell me, please. Requirement to you? Sorry, can you please repeat again? No. They are paying you, right? They'll take every blood from you. Single drop. I'll tell you. Let's see that. Okay, guys, online guys, please have a look. Let's see that condition here. Okay. Good question anyway. You have to know that. Okay. See, let's see, understand here. Okay. When we are getting the project location, okay. Let's see here. We are starting a new project. Okay. We are starting a new project on 21st. We started a new project on 21st. Okay. 21st of August. We have started a new project. Let's see. We are trying to develop Friends book or any application, your choice. Right. In that case, your sprint started on 21st. What you will do on the 21st? You don't have any work. What you will do? You will be planning, sprint planning, right? No, that we discussed the starting class only. Sprint planning. What we gonna do in the sprint planning? Basically, we're gonna discuss that who would be working on which particular requirement. We have a 200 requirement. Out of 200, how many we can take for the current sprint? Let's see, based on our capacity, 30 guys, 40 guys, 20 guys, how many are there? Based on our capacity planning, we will go for the user story. You know the user story, right? What is that? It's a requirement here. Simple. We did already class, but again, it's a quick revision for every one of you. Let's see that we have 200 requirement here. How many are there? 200 requirements for you. Okay. I'll tell you the role assignment. Understand? I cannot take it all the 200 requirement in the first step. How we can decide to select the dev branch while putting a job in the queue. It depends which branch you wanted to deploy the code. Okay. On base that, Durga. Let's see. I have picked up 4 user stories. You picked how many stories, buddy? 4 user stories. Good. So 4 user story you have picked up in sprint planning. Now, based on what you will get a 4 user story? Tell me. Based on what? Priority. Very good. So let's see. First 10 is a high priority. How you will pick up? Why only 4? Why not 5? Why only 4? Why not 3? Online guys, give me the answer, please. Okay. Actually, Scrum Master is not nowhere to decide, buddy. We have something called as a product owner. He will decide that. Okay. But anyway, on what basis? He'll not, because he is from non-technical background here. Project manager is from non-technical background. You have to work. Developer has to work. QA has to work, and DevOps guys have to work. Project manager will not come and work it. Right? Okay. So basically, dear, you are somewhat right, Shavant. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Basically, depend on your resource. Let's see. Dev, how many guys are there? 2 guys. QA, how many guys are there? 1 guys. And obviously, DevOps guys would be 1. Okay. Got it. Right. So based on that, we'll analyze. Dev 2 guys. That means daily, how many hours they'll work? Average 4 to 6 hours. Very good. Very good. 4 to 6 hours. But I'll go with the average call. Okay. 4 to 5 hours, 4 to 6 hours. Because remaining, you'll say that 8 hours. 8 hours if you'll work, then who will do it at stand-up call? Stand-up call half an hour. Lunch, tea breaks, chit-chat, Chandran discussion. Okay. So who will do that? So on basis of that, people would be working hardly from 4 to 6 hours. Now, dear, please understand that. It depends on your fate, which company you are joining. Some company will give you the task to 8 hours also. Small company, right? Startups, because they don't have that much of budget. You have to make that, they'll just take everything from you. Every last drop of blood, they'll take it from you. Okay, right? And some go to some company like Cognizant, Wipro and all, they will take 4 hours, 6 hours. They have lots of budget. Okay, so let's see, I'm taking average as a 5 hours. So buddy, developer 5 into 2, 10 guys, sorry, 2 guys are there. Okay, so let's see, A and B are there. So this guy will work for how many hours? 5 hours into how many working day? Nobody, 10 working day. No, if you're following the sprint of 2 weeks, 10 working day, right? So how many 5 into 10? 50. So you'll have around 50 hours of task. Right here? Who will do 50 hours of task? A will do. Developer A. Developer A. Good. Let me come to developer B. He will also do 5 hours of task. But he has some birthday or marriage day or anything. One day he has a marriage anniversary, anything. He cannot skip that, okay? Right. So what he'll do? 1 day off. So how many working day will work? Very good. So he'll say that starting only he had to say, I will not come sir on that day. Please mark it now itself. Okay. So I think we did know, yeah. I shown you that capacity planning also, no? So in that we have how many hours? 45 hours. Please. I'm coming to that only, no? Entire project I'm telling you, buddy. Will tell you what QA will do, what DevOps will give. Yes. Good question. I'll come to know that. Let's see. 40 plus 50, 45 hours of task, Lokesh, will done by your developer. So how, my question is, how many stories I'll pick at? So that is here, developer, how many hours they'll work? 95 hours total. Okay. Now, how many guys are there? Only one. And that too is saying, no, I'm good. I don't have any marriage. I don't have anything. I'll come every day. So I'll go with the 50 days. Okay. 50 hours. DevOps is very smart. 5. He's saying that 1 marriage day, 1 birthday. Okay. So I'll go for 8 days only. I'll come for only 40 hours, boss. Right. Now at the time of decision of the how many stories we'll pick up, no, we'll keep these all things in the mind and then we'll pick up the story. Now what is the mind? Every user story will have some point that is called as a story point. Important, very important. They'll ask the interview how you are deciding the story point. Got it? Story point. Okay. Story point. If you are real time working, then only you'll be able to answer this all. Otherwise, you're not able to answer. So story point. What is that? Story point. So what will come in the story point? Based on your work, story point will increase, decrease. Okay. Now you cannot fight with them. No, this is for 10 story point. Why you are giving only 4? So it depends. Scrum Master, product owner, they also experienced guy, right? More than you. So I'll come to know how much time this will take to complete. So that is story point starts from Fibonacci series. What is that? Tell me what is the Fibonacci series? No worries, if you don't know, previous one sum should be the current one. Okay. So a story point is this here. Okay. Story, user story points. So let's see how many points are there. It will start from 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is what? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Then 13. Then 21. Actually, story point will start from 0. 0 will not be there. 0 means useless, right? There's nothing is there. There is no workload. So 0 will not be there. 1. They start from 1. Okay. If it is a story point 1, that means very easy task. Will take more story. If it is a 2, okay. Somewhat okay, work is there. 3, somewhat one more work is there. 5, okay, bit more work. It is going to 8, we have work. 18, we have good amount of work. 21, very work. We'll go, but maximum will go till 21 only, based on the story point. This is the interview question. What is story point and how you are deciding the story point? What will you say? Based upon complexity level, difficulty level. Okay, so you got the point. Now what developer will do, what QA will do, what DevOps will do. Okay, that is important to understand. So very first day, 21st of August, we got a requirement. It depends 5 hours basically. It depends on standard company to company here. Okay, we cannot define it. My company used to take for one story point, we are spending nearly 5 to 6 hours. It's not a thumb rule that 5 hours only. It may be 5 hours, 6 hours, depend on the company, Ramesh. Okay, but usually my company follow 5 hours of time. Okay, let's understand. Now, 21st of August, we got the requirement. Requirement means PA will give the requirement. So PA will work for previous year. They'll not give the 21st. They'll go and take, okay, what is your requirement? Then we'll sit idle, right? Okay, they're very smart. If your project is starting 21st, before only August 1st only they'll get the requirement from the customer. Give me the requirement. Whatever the requirement we have got it, get it from the customer, right? 21st I'll explain everything. This is the thing I'm doing it. Now developer will start writing the logic. No, first developer will not write the code. They'll think the logic scenario. Logic they'll think, they'll not write. Designing guys will design the code. 1 or 2 days it will take. Okay. Then after that, developer will start writing the code. What QA will do? QA will not sit idly. Why? Because when I'm giving the project to you, you'll get like, what to test, how to test. For that, you have to go through the document. You have to go through the document of that requirement document. And based on that, you have to write the user, what is that? Test case. I'll tell you what is the test case also. That is not my job, but let me tell you. Let's see that. You are testing any Facebook, you are developing the Facebook, right? So there will be the user login page. In that there will be username, password, login button, forgot password. Okay, cancel button also will be there. Somewhere will be the sign up also. If you're a new customer, okay, sign up. So they have to write the different scenario, dear. They're not sitting idle. They're right, okay, username. So username, I'm saying that, okay, so application is not a god, right? Developer is not a god. No, they might do some mistake in the logic. So what you have to test all the thing. What you have to test it? You have to write the scenario. First scenario is correct username, incorrect password. Login button. Click login. What will happen? Error. That is expectation, right? So like this, you have to write different condition. What is the next condition? Tell me. Very good. Incorrect username, correct password. Then error. Then next. Tell me next, others. That's it. Login is completed. Forget password. You guys are going it. Login first complete. No. At least 10 scenario I'll tell you. You think this is just use your brain here. Okay. I wanted to test the Facebook. Okay. I wanted to test the Facebook. We have a username. We have a password. Okay. We have a login button. We have a cancel button. Okay. Only basically 2. Forgot password here. Sign up here. I wanted to test it here. Tell me. What all test is? First is correct, incorrect. Right? Correct username, incorrect password. Incorrect username, correct password. Both incorrect. Then both correct. Very good. So both are correct means it will log in. Positive scenario. But see, in the QA, they know they are human being, but they'll not believe they are human being. They'll test whether I am a human being or not. Okay. If that is the quality of the QA, then he is a very good QA. Okay. Obviously, think in the mind that, okay, there might be the mistake. There might be the mistake. Okay. What next? Tell me what are the scenario it can be. Correct username, incorrect username, incorrect username, incorrect password, correct, incorrect. What else next? Don't go to forget password. Let's complete this first. Okay. We have many more here also. Think it. Guys, online guys, come on. What we can give it? Huh? You're not testing. You're not. Simple thing, bro. Use your presence of mind. See, correct username, blank password, enter. There might be the condition here. User forgot to write a logic for the password. So it will log in. It will log in, right? Password should be capital. That means it's incorrect only. It is incorrect. It will come in the condition incorrect only, no? It will come in the scenario of incorrect only, right? Okay. Then blank value, both blank. Login only. Some XYZ user will log in. Okay. So these are all the condition who will do? QA will do. Now what DevOps will do? Okay. This is the thing that we have seen for the developer QA. DevOps guys, what they'll do. So DevOps guys will get a before only they'll get a requirement document. And when developer is developing, no, while developing only they'll tell that I need to deploy this. So you have to use below steps. So we have to start writing the pipeline for that. Start writing. Running will not, we don't have to run it now, but you have to write the pipeline. That's why DevOps guys are always claim that he's sitting idle. We are claimed that he is sitting idle. So that's why what is happening, DevOps guys, they will not keep us, they don't like us to sit idle. They'll assign 2 projects to you. 2 projects. Okay, you work 4-hour work on this, 2-hour work on this, 2-hour work on this. So they are not allowing us to sit idle here. Anyway, we have a less task, but they'll not see our thing to do it. Okay, so what we are doing it in my team, my teammates are very smart. What they are doing it, we have already developed project. So we have a E2E, end to end. So we will say that we are checking the E2E pipeline, whether we can improve something. Simply just doing for time pass, we are telling them, okay, but then not the work. Okay. Simply for doing just no, saying just to do for the time, because we have to, if we'll say that we don't have work, what will they'll assign some other work, some other project. So you have to keep very busy yourself. Right? You have to keep very busy. Especially me, I used to keep myself very busy. Why? Because I'm really right. I used to contact with the US guys. Our team, I'm not working anything. My juniors will work. But when I have to talk to the team, US team, right? You have to say that our team is working this much. And here this is working this much. Everyone know that. But their client know. Client, if you say that I'm working, then only they'll give money to you, right? The company. So you have to show that. And here, no, documentation is important here. You are not getting time. You don't have any work. Say, I'm working on the documentation. I'm taking the screenshot of all the scenarios, pipeline scenario. I'm working a document. If the new joining will come, no, they'll refer that. They'll come to know. See, many things to say, buddy. Clear, no? Shall I go? Now your doubt is clear, right? One more. I have one more doubt in the mind. If you do it, see, developer will develop the code. QA will test the code. No. What will happen then? It'll come to the DevOps guys. DevOps guys will deploy to the environment and they will test that code. Without deployment, how they can test it? But production, different. Real time, different. We are not go to the real time and user accept. That's why we are doing the user acceptance testing. Before only eject scenario will keep it out and we'll go with that. Okay. In that case of your, what is that? In the case of your, sometime what is happening in the real time, production, we are getting issue. It happens, no? Sometimes developer is a human being. QA also is human being. We might do mistake. For that case, we'll go and see all the scenario. We have to check it out. And deployment guys have a very worst case. Again, they need to go back. They need to check the pipeline. Again, they have to alter the pipeline. That time we'll get a more work. Usually, unless we are not getting the production issues, we'll not have much work. Now coming to that Kubernetes, these all will be done by the administration guys. We don't have to do it. Okay. But in case a small company you are going it, there is no administration. You have to take care of that part also. So always try to get in the good company. Small company, they will give you more tasks, pay you less also. Okay. Yes. Then if this is your thinking, you'll go very high. If this is your thinking. Freshers, if you're thinking that we learn, then it is very high. It's good thing. But for my level, if I'll say this the same thing, no, I'll not be able to take a class. You have to sit in office. Fine. Can we go with the Sonarcloud now? What is the time here? Half an hour. Okay, fine, no problem. We'll go with the Sonarcloud. Let's complete a small thing only left out. We'll just first I just brush up all those part, then setting what to do. Instead of analyze, we are getting as a public. We are not getting the access. But if you click it, what all you get, we'll explain you. Okay. I'll go. I think we have some steps. I think I didn't give you the steps. Okay, steps. We have some steps actually. Guys, tell me, Sonarcloud is application of Azure or third party? Then tell me one thing, why the QA cannot use the Sonarcloud? Their work will be easy, no? Why QA cannot use the Sonarcloud? Their work will be easy, yeah. If they'll use it. Sorry, buddy. Pay. First thing is that, yeah, it's a paid one. $10 per QA, they cannot afford it. Office will not give you that. That is sure. Other? After payment also. Other? What is the reason that QA cannot go for Sonarcloud? Why they are doing the testing? Javin, what is that? Okay. Anyone else? See, Sonarcloud will show you only where is a defect, but they are not sure. They are just analyzing tool. They'll not tell that go and check the right login, correct username and wrong password, you'll get error. They are just giving the vulnerability. Where is the point of vulnerabilities? Like that they'll give you. They'll not check the logic. All the logic, they'll not check it out. Why for us? No, because we are a DevOps guys. We don't know the coding at all. We are zero in the coding. Okay, for us it is telling that if you are getting it, because before deploying QA, we are not testing, no. QA is not testing, no. We have to deploy. In case we are deploying it, QA will get error, right? Definitely they'll get error. Okay. So again, it will go back, again make the changes. For that, we are using the Sonarcloud. Okay, just to see whether this is analyzing the product is having error or what. That's all. Okay, that's why QA cannot be dependent on the Sonarcloud. If the QA is dependent on Sonarcloud, no, product will get a definitely super error in the production. They'll get error, no, obviously. Machine, right? They don't know like us. Okay, fine. We will go ahead with that all topics one more time. Sonarcloud, what is the Sonarcloud here? It's nothing. It's a cloud-based analysis tool designed to detect the code quality in different languages. It will be used to code with the maintained, should be reliable and security code. Simple thing. Okay, this is a definition. Bug. What is bug? You know that bug? Something is not working as per the client expectation, user perspective, and what anything could be. That is a bug. So if we are getting the bug, not we are getting, who is getting the bug? QA will get the bug. What will happen then? Let's see. I'm checking the Facebook login page. We got a bug. What will happen then? Whether DevOps will involve in that? How come you are saying no? Again, the code will go to developer, right? Developer will fix it. Who will deploy then? Then why we not involved? Bug will involve, no, yeah. SDLC, last phase only we are involving. Support and maintenance, we are involving it, right? Unless we are not deploying, again, QA cannot test it. Okay, so we will be involved in that. Bug, right? So bug means something is not working as per the expectation. That is called as a bug. Clear enough? Okay, next one is vulnerability. It is not a error. It's not a bug, but chances of weaker that me and you cannot find out. Tool itself can find out that where is the chance that we can attacker can attack it. Okay, so there is some loose coupling not with the coupling. This one code we are writing it, no, in the code we might miss some. We are writing everything public, and that is not used in the public. Then why to write public? Public means anyone can make use of that. Okay, so those point actually is called as a vulnerability. Important. Interview will definitely ask you what is vulnerability, what is code fixes, everything. Okay, code fixes means what here? What is code fixes, guys? You're right, seventh code. QA doesn't know the coding. It'll be there in the notes, Faizan. Notes mein it is there. What is code fixes here? Huh? Fixing defect or bugs is called as a code fixes. Then tell me, I need one information from you. Okay. You have very good experience now. More than 1.5 month is over, no? So you should have a good knowledge in the IT. Okay. Understand that. Let's see. I'm developing Facebook. Facebook has deployed to the live also. Live, we are getting one issue. That is called as a user is not able to send message to his friend. Okay, this is issue. Tell me what will happen after that. Will the DevOps will involve or not? Okay, when they will involve? Let's see. Okay, the issue is coming where? No, issue is coming where? Which environment? I understand that it is issue with the messenger. Live. Live means production. Okay. So will we deploy the production or not? Or shall we go to the lower environment also? Why lower? It is upper, then why we have to go to lower? If your nose is paining, well, go for your stomach. You're right. We'll go to the lower only. Some case, no, the lower it will pain. It might affect the other areas also. Interlinked, right? So what is happening, my dear friend? Whenever we are getting the issues, client issues, that is called as a hot fixes. Hot. That is the real time issues. That's why we are giving the hot fixes. That means we have to give the fix immediately to the customer. That is the hot fix. But before that, if we are getting the client requirement, no, you'll see the developer and QA. They'll walk like no current. Okay, they'll do very fast. Why? Because their customer is waiting for them. Okay, so what they'll do if there is a issue is coming in the production, first of all they'll go and QA will go and check their case whether it's still affecting our lower environment also or what. They'll check it out. If it will affect, they'll fix there also. 90% it will not affect, but in case it is affecting, so they'll check the lower. If it affecting, deploy the lower. If it is affecting, code changes. Code is only one. No, there is no. We also see that repo. Code is different. No, it's same, right? So we'll change the code, right? Only one code will change it. Then we'll first deploy to the lower environment integration or development dev environment. If it is passing, then we'll go for the staging. If it is passing, then we'll go for the production. Then finally we'll go to the customer. So their deployment will be done by us. Okay. So doesn't mean that only we are going for the live, we'll change the code in the live, I'll give it. No, first we'll go to the lower. Every time. Staging is the issue. Let's see there is some issue in the staging. What will do? Go to the lower, dev. Then go with the staging. Production no need to go. Upper is no. Upper to lower, lower to upper will not go. Okay, dear? Clear, no? Good. Please. Okay. Okay, very good. Actually, it's not a project. Same project will continue, no? Same project we are continuing, right? It is sprint, right? We are releasing the project sprint by sprint, no? So now Oh, okay, good. Project is completed. Client has given that. You are taking the new project, but yes, you are getting the new project. You are working on the new project, and that is the old project. So what will happen that your manager has to decide, your lead has to decide that first they'll check who has worked on this. Let's see, Lokesh has worked or Rahim has worked. If Lokesh has worked and Lokesh is free, he's not in the urgent task, then this work will go to the Lokesh only. If Lokesh is he's very overloaded, he don't have a time at all, then he'll ask Rahim to work on that. But Rahim can go and ask to Lokesh how you worked it, because he already worked. What if that guy had left the job? Right? There in the case, no, Lokesh might go with his salary is 10 lakh, he went to the 20 lakhs. Right? Okay. So if Lokesh had left, that's why I'm saying the documentation. Because Lokesh is a DevOps engineer. He deployed the code. He went out. Then we cannot go and call him, Lokesh, right? Come, please give me. We have to write documentation. Whenever we are free, we have to write the documentation. We take the screenshot and keep it in the repository for reference. Clear? That is the important reference documentation. If any company is not following the documentation, then there is a waste. Waste in the sense is you'll face lots of issues. And there the employee would be not leaving the job also. Because they know that, no, their importance. If you leave the job, manager, no, don't go. They'll increase the salary. If you go to my company, my project, my organization, 3 years of guys are getting 10 lakh, 15 lakh. You believe me? 10, 15. Why? Because it's a product-based company. They're not writing the documentation at all. So that it'll be their credentials. When I came 1 year back, not 7, 8 months back, I joined this company. There's a new manager in the US. I already told him that we don't have documentation. Let's work on the documentation. Now everyone is like, no, angry on me. Why you are saying the documentation thing? Yeah, we need that. Tomorrow I will not be there. You will not be there. New guys will be there. So if you have a documentation, you could able to go through that, right? Pipeline. You created the pipeline. Okay. So who will work? All guys are not expert. No. They might do some mistake. If they have reference, they can make the use of it and they can implement some changes, right? So documentation you have to do. Please make a habit of writing the documentation. And after writing, please don't forget to send a mail to your CC to your manager or lead. So they'll get appreciation. Oh, this is guy is working. They get appreciation mail. He's writing. Okay. So we'll get it out here. Clear? Okay, so I'll go. Next part is what? Code fixes. Code smell. It is. Don't think that no, the code will be rotten or something. Okay. Right. Code smell means it is a maintainability issues here. I gave the example last time also. Okay. What example I gave you here? Let's see. There is example. I writing the program. Okay. I'm writing a program to sum of 2 digit. KT document, reference document. Shawant, you are right. Okay. I'm pretty sure, Shawant, you are working somewhere. Okay. Right, Shawant, you are working somewhere, no? Those guys only tell you. See, the guys who's already working, they have knowledge. But why I'm telling you guys? Because you didn't work anywhere, right? You should be also knowing. Okay, understand. Let's see that. Code smell. What is the code smell? Code smell is a non-technical thing. There's no logic difference. Let's see, I wanted to add 2 number. Don't think that I'm telling to learn the code. This simple logic here, okay? I'm not telling the code only. Let's see, I'm writing the code. Public static void main. Okay. I'm writing the I know that string argument will be there. I'm just ignore it, okay? Let's see. Value of A is 10. What is the value of B, buddy? 20. Int C, I wanted to take it as a plus B, right? B. Yeah, buddy. A plus B. Clear? I wanted to print as a system.out.println value. You write a sum of 2 numbers. Okay. Or A, sum of A and B are, let's see. Don't see that now why you are writing plus. Okay, if you think why, you no need to know that. Okay, you don't need to learn the code. Okay, so write it logic here. Okay, and here it will be the class hello class. Okay, this code. Tell me dear, this is one code. Okay, this is one code. This is one code. Okay, and I'm writing one more code. I'm writing one more code. Okay, this is also one code, and you have one more code here like this. Okay, both are code, same code. There's no difference, right? These two are same code right here. So tell me, according to you, which one is easy for you to understand? First one. Okay, someone is telling first one. Why first one? Same thing, no? So second one, it is easy for you to get the error. You might miss this. If you miss this, no, you'll not find out. It's difficult for you to find out. It's a 5-line code, but if you go to the 1,000 lines code, 500 lines of code is there, right? Okay. So it is difficult to catch you. Where is the I missed it? Which quotation curly braces I missed it? But here you can see no. Okay, it will open here, so it will close here only. If it is open here, it has to be closed here only, right? Okay, it has to be closed. So this is a syntax, right? A way of writing. Okay, that is something called as a code smell. Okay, what is the code smell, buddy? Code smell is a maintainability issue that makes the code confusing and difficult to manage. It is not a issue or bug. It is not a technical issue at all. It's not a technical. If you run it, that will also work. This will also work. But which one look to be good? Right here. Okay, fine. Can I go to hotspot now? Hotspot now. Okay. Hotspot means what? Okay. If you're understanding, that also is a good thing. Okay. It's also related. Hotspot. Usually hotspot is called as a affected area. If you remember 2-3 years back, not 2 years back, COVID situation, news, you guys are getting it right. Amirpet is a hotspot of COVID, or Jubilee Hills, right? Why? Because lots of cases are there. The chances of getting infected is more as compared to other areas, hotspot areas. Same thing, not same exactly, not, but some amount. See, it is a security hotspot, highlight a security sensitive piece of code. There is infection. Here is a sensitive data. Okay, that is a hot. Here, this is a hotspot reviewed basically. Okay, so these all things, just application will highlight it. That's it. Nothing will do. They'll highlight it. Okay, and after highlighting, you have to take the screenshot of that, and you have to send to whom? Developer back. Hey, I'm getting this. Can you look into this? It's the issue. Maybe it might be. Or if you say, okay, I'll deploy it. Okay. They'll say, no, wait, I'll check it out. Okay. That is the case. Now, what we are doing it, we are integrating the Sonarcloud on top of the Azure or Azure DevOps. So understand. This is only 4 steps to do. That's all. We'll follow that. Okay. Let's do that. So steps means, okay, tell me where we apply the hotspot. Hotspot no. Sonarcloud, DevOps or cloud? Why not cloud? I don't think that you need to think this much of time. We are checking the quality of code, right? Code is where? Repo, GitHub. Okay. So we have to use in the repo only, not any other way. Cloud, we don't have code at all, no. It's all application services, right? So we have to apply to the code. Now, how to download the Sonarcloud? We've seen that, no? No need to do it again. I'll go back to here. Where to do? Shall I download the project? Training only. Yes, madam. Training only we gave. Just training. Okay. Why just training? Because I thought of training you because already I have that use. That's why. So always say that your any external tool, not only this. Tomorrow you are learning Ansible. Tomorrow you are learning other things. Okay. So in that case, you have to go with the third party only. And third party, you can get it downloaded from the marketplace. Where you can find out? Yes, you are right here. Whoever told that you are right. Organizer setting only. Okay. Come here and we have option of setting. Extension. Go to extension. Sonarcloud is there. If you don't have, go back to your browse marketplace. Type it as a Sonarcloud. Install it. Multiple also can be there here. Multiple also. You have to choose which one is supported by Microsoft or which is the highest download. Okay. I'll show you also Sonarcloud, right? Enter it. We have multiple, right? So you have to go with which one should I use? 62 because it is a Sonar source. Actually, it is coming. It is a guy name. So they have embedded into this and they have given you. So this one will go. Okay. That is the one point. Next point what? Try to configure the organization with a personal access token. dev.azure.com user settings. So go to the organization configuration with a personal token. What is that? Let me go with the organization setting. Here, right? Then what to do? What shall I use, buddy? What should I use? Try to configure organization the personal access token. Dev Azure to user setting person. Where we can go with this? Forgot, guys, everyone. We need to do from starting then. Okay. Buddy, we have to go with sonarcloud.io.com. Okay. Right? No. Let me write it out. You guys need more step then. I'll write it. Now. 10 minutes. We did it, but not full detail, I guess. Okay, I'll write step by step now. What happened? Okay, visit to the page, this page. This is the page, right? And here you have to apply it. Here it says that we have to configure something with the personal access token. We have to configure. So I'll go to here. What to do, buddy? Shall I log in? Okay, log in here or finish Sonar. Anything you can go. Through which help? Okay, so I'll just go with this also, buddy. What is the third step? Log in with the help of Azure DevOps. Pardon the spelling mistake, okay? Azure DevOps, I'll go. So it will ask me to log in the portal account, right? Portal account, right? DevOps account, no. Yes, so what is that? Azure training Hyderabad1@gmail.com, right? And the password would be default password. Automatically taken. Here, right? Okay, good. Now, okay. Now understand. Somehow I got one public account access. I just tried out, but they again blocked it. I'm not able to configure. They approved it actually. I wrote make a note of that. I wanted to learn it like that. They approved it, but again they blocked it. I'm not able to do analyze. Okay, fine. So let's go. What is the next thing, buddy? You have to do projects. You're going to the projects, right? And after that, you have that option of settings. Actually, you have to do it. Create a new organization. What is your organization name? You give that. Training Naveen 11. My organization name. First, I'll write the steps here. Okay. What the next one, buddy? Click on the setting, then organization setting. Okay, right here. Next, I come to here. So it will ask you to give the organization name and personal access token they have to give. So tell me what token I should use here. Use your brain. Huh? Hmm? Why token? What is a token? Token means connection. Access. What access is this guy asking? Why it is asking the access? Very good. Project access. Perfect, dear. Good, great. Okay, project access it is asking, right? So where can I get those? In DevOps account. Okay, because here setting the last there. You have to do there also and will ask here. You are kind of service connection only, kind of. Okay, so you have to go to service connection. Where to go to the? Where to go here? DevOps account, right? Let me go here, separate page. Project, where is my project, buddy? 9 this one, no? Let's go in this project. What's how to get it? Access token. Very good setting. Second last. Okay. Second last, yeah. Personal access token. Click on it. You have to generate a new. We already generated, but let's generate a new one. Okay. Let's make it as a Sonar generation, Sonar token or something. Give the expiry, your wish. Okay. Give all the permission I want to give it. Read, write, and manage. Okay. Read, write, and manage every condition. Everything you give it. You can go. This is for the development. Okay. Leave it. I'll go with all. You can read and write. Read and write. Read, write, manage. Create. So after that, you'll get a token. This token is only one time valid. Next time, if you go and come, you'll not able to. It is valid, but you cannot copy that. Okay, copy that. Huh? Like certificate and secret. You're right. Certificate and secrets. Copied. Okay, and try to go back to your where here token. So you're giving the link between your project here. Okay, continue. Okay, what it says that this Azure DevOps organization is already bounded with 630. That means it is organization level, right? Okay, so it says that already I am bounding with the 630. No problem. What's the issue? I'll go with this one. Okay, right. Import the another organization. First of all, your organization name itself will not be coming up. Why? Because it will pick only what project, buddy? Public project. This, according to this guy, access 9 a.m. batch is not a public project. It is a private project, and we don't have any permission from the Microsoft to commit here. Okay, we are not getting it, but yes, I'll show you how to analyze project. Okay, so before that, you need to do one more task. What you have to do, buddy? What is your project? My project 9 a.m. project, right? Go here, come here, buddy, and service connection, new service connection. You have to create a service connection here also. 2 places, right? One there, one here. Create it. Now what you need? Token. Now where I can get the token? There I'm getting the token in my Azure DevOps. Here I am using in the Azure DevOps. Where I can get the token? Sonarcloud. Go to Sonarcloud. Okay. So you have to go to the Sonarcloud here. How to go? Sonarcloud is where, buddy? Here, right? This is a Sonarcloud, no? Come here. Where can you go? Accounts. You'll find out somewhere. Just see. Security. Do you have something? No. Write name as a Sonarcloud token something. Okay. Generate the token. Copy the token. Same thing it will do. Copy the token. Okay. After copying the token, go back to token here. Sorry, verify it. Succeeded. Give the Sonarcloud cloud. Anyway, grant permission of the pipeline. It will not work. It is a public. It's not a public, but we will follow these steps in real time. Okay. Follow that. Now you run it. Go back to your Sonarcloud. Okay. I have one public account with me, right? So I'll go with the public project only. I have one public project is there, no? 630. Let's imagine this is our project here. Simple. Okay. You go to that configuration, analyze configuration. Okay. Now basically you can able to go with as soon as you are getting the permission of this, right? Okay. Here you should be able to see all the list of the when you're clicking on the analyze itself. Clicking on the analyze itself. Configure analysis. Your result would be coming like this. Can you see? It's already came because I already clicked on long back, but they have removed. All are 0. Can you see? Past fail 0, relative 0, security review 0, maintainability 0, coverage 0, duplicate 0, size 0, text 0, other. But in real time, it will come like this here. I'll just show you that Sonar Cloud. What is that? Project analyze, right? Project analyze image. Okay. Once you click on the analyze, your project should be coming like this. Okay. It will come like this. If you have access, you're getting it the permission. Just click on the we are configure. No, this page will come. So I'll just try to maximize this. We do have somewhere. Yes. They have given steps also. Very good. You just try to follow that also. Okay. Very good. This is all we did. No permissions. You gave the all. They have given the custom denied, but it will give the full all will come. Right. These all permission we have followed. They already followed this all right. Steps. Free plan and paid plan. Okay, come down. Finally, you'll come to here. Finally, you'll come to here. At last, when you get a permission of that, right? Where's that code? Code analyze. Yes. This is the page you'll get it. One is to analyze it. Can you see what all the detail is coming up here? Bug. How many bug are there? This is not the right bug. This is not right. Just a exemptions. Okay. So you take the screenshot of this bug, click on it. They'll give the link and you have to send it to the development team. Hey, I am getting the notification like we are getting the bug. Can you please help me out that? That's it. Okay. Sonarcloud, that is the case. Real time, you'll get all the option. You just click on analyze. Your project will be analyzed in that case. Now, can I extend for 10 minutes, please? Okay. Because anyway, tomorrow we don't have class. Day after tomorrow we don't. Monday class. Let's see that interview perspective. What they are asking interview questions is in that your Sonarcloud important is vulnerability. Vulnerability is vulnerability is a term. I cannot get any reference value from them. If I'm getting the code fix, fixing the code, we'll say that vulnerabilities are different. If you know that that term, then only can answer that. So they'll give the vulnerability, how to the setting. Okay. So how to download the Sonarcloud in your project, whether you'll upload into your cloud or they'll upload into your DevOps. Important. This all part you'll have to know. Apart from that, dear, we thought like we'll start the AKS Kubernetes services, but we are not able to do it. Can I do theory once again yesterday? That is enough. You know that. Yesterday theory we did, no? Can I tell you to create a AKS? No. AKS not understanding. Theory also not. Okay, let's do that in AKS Monday only. Fresh start. Okay, we'll start the fresh in the AKS. AKS is very important. Please understand. Important in the sense is it's a master session. We'll do only 2 scenarios. That 2 scenarios so you should have hands on. Okay. If you understand the AKS, you can able to understand the Ansible PowerShell. Now the left topic out of the left topic, it will take 2 days. This is small topic, not very big. Ansible basics only we learn. We have to focus more on that. Lokesh, you just to take care of this part in here itself. Okay, custom condition. And PowerShell, I'll show you the 3 scenario minimum. To create storage, to create resource, to create app services, VM also. Okay, this 4 will do. If you do this 4 now, PowerShell you will easy in fingertip for you. You can answer any interview question on that interview PowerShell. Okay, 4 will do it. It is taking 3-4 days of time also. 3 days, minimum 3 days it will take to update. And virtual network we have to do. Jenkins also basics will teach you. Don't worry. I remember I didn't note it because another batch we are going for 6 p.m. batch no. So I cannot give them until now. Last you told that Jenkins to complete it out, right? Okay. Fine guys, I'll top up. Thank you so much for extending time with 5 minutes of time. Take care. Yep, we will do the pipeline.